By the end of this video, you will know how to change the font type, the font color, and the font size in Notion. On this page, I have some text for us to practice on. These are just some book notes from my reading of the Almanac of Naval Ravikant. Now, to change the font type, what you will do is go to the three dots in the top right corner, and here you have the three font type options. So if I change it, then all of the text will change to that font type. And so Notion has three font types, and when you choose one, it changes the font type of that entire page. So I'll just switch it back to the default one. Now, to change the font size, you will go further in this menu, and now you should see the small text option. If you click on that, then the text changes its size. I usually just keep it at its normal size though. And finally, to change the font color in Notion, all you'd have to do is select some text, and then the menu appears here of some options. So what you'll do is scroll to the one that you can change the color on, and if you click on it, it gives you options to either highlight the text or change the actual font color. So in this case, I'll change it to blue. To change the color of another block of text, I can either do the same thing where I highlighted the piece of text, or I can just click the entire block if that is what I want to highlight. And a little menu will come up, and I can go again to the color and change its color. So perhaps this time I'll highlight it in yellow. And you can apply a background and a font color to the same pieces of text. Notion has a shortcut which is Control-Shift-H. So for example, if I do that now, you'll see that the text turns red. And that is because red is the last font color that I was using. And so if I'm trying to mark several things in blue text, then I can also do that. I just have to change the color the first time to blue, and then now blue is my shortcut color. If I go Control-Shift-H now, the text comes out blue. Now this shortcut was only one of the tips that Notion includes, and if you would like to know more tips on how to use Notion, I recently made a video on 8 things that you might be doing wrong in Notion. You can click there to check it out.